I can promise you my everlasting devotion, my loyalty, my respect, and my unconditional love for a lifetime. I can promise that I'll always be here for you, to listen and to hold your hand, and always do my best to make you happy and make you feel loved. I can promise that.
I promise to laugh with you when times are good and endure with you when they are bad. I can't wait to grow old together, getting to know the man you will become and falling in love a little more every day. Today, I give you my hand, my heart, and my love without condition. I love you. Sing.
Kaya't kahit saan ka mapagpad, kahit ilang taon ang lumipas, kahit ika'y mapalayo sa piling ko, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Kahit ilang taon ang lumipas, kahit ika'y mapalayo sa piling ko,